All right, boys and girls, you know what we're trying to do? 2015 Land Rover drain tube for the sunroof has left a big wet spot on the floor as usual. So a bunch of people have said you have to take this fuse panel completely out. Not really true. Something I found is if you disconnect your plugs on the front, the bottom, there's two gray ones. Also, there's two 10 millimeter nuts that are holding this panel in, which is fine. Something I found is I've used a inspection camera, and you can almost see the light coming through. And behind that light, I'm going to move this. Behind the light, a little hard to see. See if we can get it just right. Okay. That's where the hole is. You can actually reach your hand over the top of this CJB, I think they call it, or fuse junction lock, whatever the Land Rover term is. And there it is. Okay. You can actually reach your hand over the top and get the end of the tube here into the hole. So you don't have to pull all that stuff out and spend 3 hours going through everything. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make my connection up here under the A-pillar arm. I've got a half-inch compression fluid fitting. I'm going to cut this tube in half. I'm going to put my plug in first, then fit the two pieces together. And in case you want to check it out, I've got my camera going through the side here. As you can see, that hole behind this air intake is where that plug is going to push through. So we use the camera to kind of light it up. See, everything I found on YouTube just wasn't working right. So give me a couple minutes. I'm going to go ahead and push this bad boy through, and we'll show you the finished product.